Hello, everyone.
Welcome to our English Learning Podcast.
Today, we will learn 100 useful English words about family and people.
This lesson is perfect for beginners.
I will say the English word.
I will read one easy example sentence using that word.
Continue with words 2,401 through 2,500. Laboratory.
Scientists work in the laboratory.
Landscape.
The mountain landscape is beautiful.
Language skill.
Practice improves your language skills.
Laptop computer.
My laptop computer is very fast.
Leadership.
Good leadership inspires people.
Learning strategy.
Find a learning strategy that works.
Lecture hall.
The lecture hall is full of students.
Legal advice.
He asked for legal advice.
Library card.
I borrowed books with my library card.
Life experience.
Travel gives valuable life experience.
Lifestyle change.
She made a healthy lifestyle change.
Local business.
We support local businesses.
Location map.
Check the location map first.
Logical thinking.
Logical thinking solves problems.
Luggage allowance.
Check your luggage allowance.
Machine operator.
The machine operator started work early.
Maintenance.
Regular maintenance keeps cars running well.
Management team.
The management team met today.
Manufacturing.
Manufacturing creates many jobs.
Marketing campaign.
The marketing campaign was successful.
Mathematical problem.
She solved the mathematical problem.
Measurement.
The measurement is accurate.
Mechanic's shop.
The car is at the mechanic shop.
Medical appointment.
I have a medical appointment tomorrow.
Medical treatment.
The medical treatment was successful.
Membership.
My gym membership is active.
Memory improvement.
Reading helps memory improvement.
Mental exercise.
Puzzles are good mental exercise.
Message board.
Read the message board carefully.
Mobile application.
I downloaded a mobile application.
Modern technology.
Modern technology changes quickly.
Monthly budget.
We follow a monthly budget.
Motivation letter.
She wrote a motivation letter.
Mountain trail.
The mountain trail is steep.
Museum exhibit.
The museum exhibit was fascinating.
Music lesson.
My daughter takes music lessons.
Natural resource.
Water is a valuable natural resource.
Neighborhood park.
We walk in the neighborhood park.
Network connection.
My network connection is stable.
Newspaper article.
I read the newspaper article.
Office building.
The office building is downtown.
Office equipment.
The office equipment is new.
Online banking.
I use online banking every week.
Online course.
She enrolled in an online course.
Online shopping.
Online shopping saves time.
Operating system.
My computer has a new operating system.
Outdoor activity.
Hiking is a fun outdoor activity.
Parking garage.
We parked in the parking garage.
Passenger seat.
Sit in the passenger seat.
Payment receipt.
Please keep the payment receipt.
Performance review.
My performance review was positive.
Personal finance.
I study personal finance.
Personal information.
Keep your personal information safe.
Phone charger.
My phone charger is missing.
Physical activity.
Walking is good physical activity.
Picnic table.
We ate lunch at the picnic table.
Planning meeting.
The planning meeting starts at 9.
Police station.
Go to the police station for help.
Political leader.
The political leader gave a speech.
Population growth.
Population growth affects cities.
Positive result.
We achieved a positive result.
Practical experience.
Practical experience is valuable.
Presentation skills.
Good presentation skills build confidence.
Primary goal.
My primary goal is fluency.
Printing service.
The printing service was fast.
Private company.
He works for a private company.
Problem solving.
Problem solving is an important skill.
Product quality.
Customers like good product quality.
Professional development.
Professional development improves careers.
Project manager.
The project manager organized everything.
Public library.
I borrowed books from the public library.
Public transportation.
Public transportation is convenient.
Purchase order.
The purchase order was approved.
Quality control.
Quality control prevents mistakes.
Research paper.
She wrote a research paper.
Reservation number.
Keep your reservation number.
Resource center.
Visit the resource center tomorrow.
Restaurant menu.
The restaurant menu looks delicious.
Retirement plan.
They discussed their retirement plan.
Road condition.
Road conditions are improving.
Safety equipment.
Wear safety equipment at work.
Sales representative.
The sales representative was helpful.
Scientific research.
Scientific research improves medicine.
Security camera.
The security camera recorded everything.
Service center.
Visit the service center tomorrow.
Shopping experience.
We had a great shopping experience.
Skill development.
Daily practice supports skill development.
Social media.
Many people use social media daily.
Software update.
Install the software update tonight.
Sports competition.
The sports competition was exciting.
Staff meeting.
The staff meeting begins soon.
Student loan.
She repaid her student loan.
Student group.
Our student group meets weekly.
Successful project.
The successful project earned praise.
Supply chain.
The supply chain is improving.
Technical support.
Technical support fixed the problem.
Teamwork skills.
Teamwork skills are valuable.
Training program.
The company offers a training program.
Travel guide.
The travel guide recommended this museum.
Workplace safety.
Workplace safety protects everyone.
Excellent job!
Today, you learned another 100 English words.
Practice these words every day.
Listen, repeat, and speak with confidence.
Thank you for learning with us.
If you enjoyed this lesson, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss our next English lesson.
We'll see you on day 26.
Goodbye and happy learning!